Okay, so friends, I moved us over into the light a little bit because when I was juicing, I needed the counter, but it was a little darker over there. So we just ran out of time, and I was showing you guys the difference between the tomato and the apple. So again, in everything, the fruit made less juice than the vegetables. So if I pour all the vegetable juice together in 1 cup and all the fruit juice together in 1 cup, which one do you think is going to have the most? I'm going to tell you, I think the vegetable is going to have the most because there was more carrot juice than orange juice. So I'll put the carrot juice in 1 cup and the orange juice in another cup. Okay. So we're going to put all the vegetable juice in this cup and all the fruit juice in this cup. All right, now I'm going to take, this was the cucumber juice. I'm going to pour it in the cucumber in the vegetable cup. Whoa, look how full that cup is already getting. And I found 2 of the biggest clear cups that I have in my house. All right, now I'm going to pour the pear juice in this cup. All right, that's becoming you can tell a little bit more that we have more vegetable than fruit juice. And it really would depend on the vegetables and the fruits that you get, but I have always found that I'm surprised that the carrot makes so much juice. All right, whoa. Okay, good. I'm glad my cup was big enough because that was the tomato juice is in this cup. And here comes the apple. All right, now maybe we can tell even more if, yeah, look, there's a whole lot more vegetable juice than fruit juice because these 2 cups are the same size. All right, well, friends, I hope you enjoyed learning that vegetables also have juice in them, and they have a lot of juice. And you probably hear, eat your fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. And those are all very important things for you. And the juice that's in our fruits and vegetables is really, really good for getting water in you. So, all right, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And next week for STEAM, we are going to try to figure out what will protect Humpty Dumpty from his fall. You know, Humpty Dumpty was an egg, and an egg is a kind of food. And sometimes at Thanksgiving, we like to eat deviled eggs for those Humpty Dumptys that cracked. But we want to keep our Humpty next week from cracking. Okay, have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.